Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 5th March and my video topic will be polymorphism. First of all, understand what is the polymorphism. Polymorphism is one of the part of the object oriented, and the poly means many and morphos mean form. That is known as polymorphism many form. Just like to another way, when one action can be performed in a multiples way, that is known as polymorphism. The real life example, that is when one man behave as a differently when in office and in family. They behave in a different way in office as an employee, and family is as a family member. That is the example of the polymorphism. The polymorphism, there are two forms. Compile time polymorphism, that is known as method overloading, and runtime polymorphism, that is known as method overriding. First of all, understand compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is also known as a static polymorphism. When same method will be same method will be right in a class. There are two or many method will be right, and the method name will be same, but the parameter will be different. That is that time will be achieved the compile time polymorphism. That is example, in a class A there are two method. One is a void and another is a void. In both the method, the method name will be same, but the parameter will be different. That time achieve the compile type polymorphism. In other, there are the another polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. In a runtime polymorphism, that is also known as a dynamic polymorphism. In this polymorphism, there are two or more classes, and in classes the one class will be extended to the another class. When both the class, the method name will be same. That time will be achieve the runtime polymorphism. Example, class A, that is one method void, and another class B, that is also same method void, and in this class the one class can be extended to the another class by extends keyword. That time the method name will be same, and the one class can be extended, subclass can be extended to the super class, and the method name will be same. That time will be achieve the method overriding. This is known as a runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism also known as a dynamic polymorphism, but generally dynamic. These are the two types of the polymorphism. First one is a method overloading, and another one is a method overriding. The advantage of the polymorphism, when we are using the polymorphism, the reusability of the code. Example, one code will be write into another class, and this code will be reused to the another class. Mean that another class cannot write again the same code, because they are already written in the another class. They are directly accessed by the polymorphism. That's why their time will be less to write the code. That is why they are reusable to code. To writing the code, less time will be required, because already code will be written in the another class. That's why they are not write to more. That's why time will be too less to writing the code. The flexibility, that in any class can be extend the code by the extend keyword, and that's why the code will be extends to the any class. That's why they are more flexible. And this is the advantage of the polymorphism. And disadvantage is polymorphism. They code will be more complex, and they are difficult to understand the code, because various method will be situated, and object also various type of the object will be created in the code. That's why the understanding to the understanding will be difficult. That are the disadvantage of the polymorphism. This is also today's topic is discuss about the polymorphism, and there are different type and advantage and disadvantage of the polymorphism. This is all about the today's topic. And also method overloading and method overriding is a two type of the polymorphism. First one is a static polymorphism, and another one is a dynamic polymorphism. Generally, runtime polymorphism will not execute in a Java, because difficult to the code, and compile time polymorphism it is a method overloading. They are discussed both are discussed about today's topic, and all about the polymorphism. Thank you.